Garage door mic here. Here we go. We got the two panels back in position. Two struts on the bottom, one on the second. That's the cable hitting the deformed section. Nothing you can do about that. Boom. Get it hooked up. There used to be roll-up doors in here. Believe it or not. Stinking roll-up doors. Garbage. Seen better days. But I got that door fixed. It was a disaster. It is fixed. Most likely they're not even going to need new panels. They're just probably going to roll with them. I'll show you on the outside what it looks like. Not too bad. They're probably going to roll with it, I'm sure, so it is what it is. We got it fixed for them, so that's the way we do it. 630-271-9343. Yeah, that's a home run. 630-271-9343. Thanks for watching our putting Humpty back together again video, and as always I encourage everyone to praise the Lord. Thank you for watching. Stopped it to oil and make adjustment.